Hey guys, this is Austin, and I'm testing out this narration option on this movie maker I just bought. Okay, so this is real EAS number. I'm gonna check. It's real EAS number 148, and it's Severe Thunderstorm Watch, recorded from the Lubbock, Texas NOAA weather radio station, and this was recorded on, April 30th, 2012, at around 4:35 p.m. Alright, enjoy the EAS.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 210, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Crosby, Floyd, Garza, Hale, Hockley, Lamp, Lubbock, and Lynn. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.